Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video here on Saharomax. We noticed that you guys really liked the video last time. We got a lot of views to our first video. So yeah, you guys crushed it with the support. We're really grateful. So we're going to be making another video. Um, and this one's on a simpler concept, pixel art. But if you need help, this video is always here to help. So we're going to get right into it, and we are going to be doing our pixel art on a website called pixelart.com. The link is in the description, and you just want to start by clicking Start Drawing. Here you can just continue or X out or whatever, and there will be a bunch of ads at the bottom here, but you shouldn't really, disturb you because they come up every now and then. You sometimes just have to X them out or just ignore them. So let's get into this. Um, I'm going to be making a 2D drawing today, and what we're going to do is I like to go to the black color and then use the pencil tool and then think, what am I going to make? A smiley face, alright? So for the sake of this video, we are going to be making a smiley face, and it's quite easy. To get started, all you need to do is just kind of drag this around into the relative kind of shape you want. And I didn't really like that. I like this side, but I didn't really like this side. So what you can do is just undo that all. Or take the eraser tool, which is just E, or it is in the sidebar there, to help. And this is kind of more of the shape I was going for, right? Not the best, but it will do. Because what we're going to do now is, let's say I don't like this, I'm going to fix this up, and anything you don't really like, you take the eraser tool and you can kind of fix it up to the way you like it. So I'm going to fix this up to the way I like it, and then I'm going to be back. Alright guys, so I am back here, kind of fixed it up, and yeah, it looks pretty good. It's going to be kind of it's not going to be a circular smiley face, it's going to be more of a natural shape, and I know this is here, but it's, it could be like ears or something, and once again, you can always change it up after. So now you can go with the pencil tool and add in any details. So let's say I want to make my eyes. See, for these types of details, don't click the undo button because it'll get rid of everything that you've made with a single hold of your mouse. Does that make sense? So kind of just make, I don't know, something like this. Looks good for the eyes. And then kind of make the nose. Looks pretty good there. And then we can make the mouse. It's going to be a smiley face. And you can do whatever you want. And then I sometimes like to just make sure that there isn't anything that kind of looks like this. I don't know, it just bugs me personally, but obviously it doesn't bug everyone, so you can do what you want. But now, it's likely you guys did something a lot more complicated. So yeah, just take your time, get whatever image you're doing, and if it's 3D, I highly encourage it to kind of put a form in. But a lot of things can be made 3D using this tool right here, the light and darken tool, which I will talk about after. So yeah, this video will also talk about that. But if you guys want, we can make another video on that more in detail. Now, once you've done this, and the disclaimer is that you should have it relatively larger to help, because when you put it into your game and you download it, it's going to be a heck of a lot smaller than it is here. So let's make his eyes blue, like something like this maybe, something like that, and maybe we want to cover it in some green. And see, I made a mistake there. I could just go undo because I didn't do too much. But definitely don't do undo for little mistakes in a big motion. So yeah, I kind of want to make his nose more detailed like that. And then this makes it kind of look a bit more, 3D or ish. And let's get rid of this. So yeah, here is the nose. I'm kind of happy with it. Here. So now what you might want to do is choose the color you want to make it. I'm going to be making it yellow. So here's a cool trick. Instead of going around and coloring it all yellow, which would take forever, you can click this bucket tool, make sure the color yellow is selected, and click inside this to make it yellow immediately. It just kind of chooses the borders that you choose, and it'll do this. So this is a really helpful tool, really useful for coloring big spaces. And let's say he's gonna be like a little SpongeBob SquarePants thing, and bam, and it has this tooth. And this looks pretty good, but you need some shading in it, right? So this is a simple project. A lot of yours will take obviously a lot more effort because you guys are going to be making some cool looking Pokemon or something. So using the lighten and darken tool, you can kind of, let's say we want to make this area darker. This will kind of create that nice dark kind of feel to it. And then, this cloud can kind of just, run wild. Um, Obviously, that's not the best job, but this part is, and I think it looks cool. And now nobody's teeth are really this white, and if yours are, props go to you. But yeah, here we go, and yeah, you can make any color. There's so many colors here. You can import your own palettes. This is a really great tool to use. And here's our smiley face. This is kind of just a beginner tutorial. So yeah, we want a little bit of like some sort of Hero Brian action in here. We could grab this white, cool. So yeah, this has been the Pixel Art tool. Hope this helped. If you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comment section below. Please tell us what we can do to improve our videos. We're always looking to improve and make the best content for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and until next time, goodbye.